The Derby Castle Yard complex behind us is the main storage area and workshop area for the Manx Electric Railway. If we go back pre-1893, when the tramway was first opened to Groudle, where we're standing now, we'd actually be standing in the sea, because this was known as Port of Arda Creek. There's a little discreet bathing area with a footpath coming down the cliffs behind us, which still exists, where people would come down to have a swim in the little bay. It was right at the northern end of Douglas Promenade, quite a remote area of the town. The reason it's like this now, because in 1892 there was a scheme put forward to develop the House Drake area and the land behind me, and part of that scheme involved blasting away the cliffs up through Port Jack to create a roadway and a tramway, and they used the stone that was taken away from the cliffs to fill the Port of Arda Creek in to build this area. So we've got two sheds behind us. The top shed here is the main storage area, and lower down the bottom shed, as we call it, because we've got very original names, top and bottom shed. The bottom shed is the original 1893 shed that was built when the tramway was opened. You can see there's quite a steep gradient leading down into that shed for the trams to go up and down. When the tramway was built, there was no electricity on the Isle of Man, so the bottom shed had to have a generating station to build their own power station to power the trams as well, so that was also on the complex here as well. It's quite an exposed area. It's a lovely day today, but certainly on winter's days, we're right at the northern end of Douglas Promenade next to the sea. The waves can and do come over quite ferociously and into the yard as well, so it can be quite a rare place to work indeed.